Presenting information using plain text in bullets may become plain and boring, but PowerPoint allows you to use pictures or other graphics to better convey your message. As the saying goes by, a picture paints 1,000 words. Okay, we all know that picture charts, graphs, and tables can make presentation entertaining, fun, and more interesting. They are powerful tools that can be used to present information. Okay, what is table? Okay, now we will use first table. Some ideas are easily understood when they are tabulated or presented through a table. Table make it easier for the viewer to identify which group of text and image relate to each other. Tables are a great way to present a comparison of different information. Okay, how can we make or add table using PowerPoint? Okay, we have two ways to insert a table in PowerPoint. Okay, process 1. On the insert menu, select the table icon, this icon. The sub-menu will expand, showing a grid. Each box in the grid represents a cell in your table. The number of blank boxes you choose horizontally will determine the number of columns. Okay, how many columns? I will choose 3 columns. The number of blank boxes you will choose vertically will determine the numbers of rows. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, highlight the number of cells that you need in your table, then press the enter key. And we already have a table. Choose another design. Process 2. Okay, what is the process 2? Okay, let's try it. On a new slide, one of the placeholder has a group of inactive icons. So these are the inactive icons. Click the insert table. Here, the first one, insert table. Click the insert table and set the numbers of columns and rows that you need. You can either type the number of the columns and rows to set the table or use the spin button beside. Spin button. Or choose the spin button besides the columns or rows to increase or decrease the corresponding value. So I will type, okay, I need 3 columns and 6 rows. Then click the OK. Okay, that will happen. Okay, you may notice that when the tables in the work area are activated, 2 new toolbars appear. The 2 new toolbar. Okay, the design toolbar and the layout toolbar. These tools are specifically used in customizing your table. Next after the table is Smart Art. Okay. Smart Art graphic is a diagram with a preset combination of style and color scheme. There are many types of Smart Art graphics to choose from, depending on the content of the diagram that you need to present. There are Smart Art graphics that are effective to show a list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and many others. Okay, how can we see a Smart Art graphic? So go to Insert, Smart Art. So these are the list of the Smart Art. Okay, this one, this is the list. Okay. Okay. List is used for simple list of information. Next is process. For information that shows step-by-step process or sequence of events or action. Cycle. For processes that repeat in a continuous sequence. Next, hierarchy. For organizational chart. Relationship. For association of different data. Matrix. For items to be shown in quadrant. Pyramid. for showing how data is built upon one another to form a foundation. Picture, for information that includes picture in the chart. Each smart art format has tons of other options that you can choose. This one, no? You choose any design like this one. Try exploring this design and see what smart art design best suits you. Now, how can we insert smart art in PowerPoint? We have two ways to insert smart art in PowerPoint. The process one, or the first way. Okay, you go to insert menu and click the smart art. Choose what smart art that you need and press OK. That's how you do it. Then you add your text. That is the process one. Process 2. Okay, like what we did in the table, click the smart art icon in the placeholder. This one, smart art icon. Then clicking the smart art icon, click what smart art graphic that you need. I will choose process. Okay, that's how you do it. You can also convert text in a slide into smart art. Note that this is different from inserting smart art. Remember that, ha? When you insert smart art, you don't have text written on the chosen smart art yet. You have to choose a layout first. Only then can you type the text. When you convert text into smart art, you create a smart art that is already filled with text. So, how to convert text into smart art in PowerPoint? So, we have two ways to convert text into smart art in PowerPoint. Process 1. Okay. In placeholder, type your text in bullet form. Oh, I already typed the text. Note that you can add labels to your bullets by hitting the tab. Okay. Hitting the tab. Okay, click tab. Next, highlight all the text that you want to be included in the smart art diagram. And on the home menu, click convert to smart art. That is different to insert smart art. Now we'll click the convert to smart art. Okay, click and choose. Okay, that will happen. Okay, next, process 2. Just like in process 1, highlight the text that you type in bullet form. Then, click anywhere on the highlight text. Right click. Then, convert to smart art. Okay, then press OK, that will happen. Okay. In Smart Art Graphic, try to keep your text simple and to minimize your bullet levels to 1 or 2. Remember that the text will have to fit into the Smart Art diagram that you will select, and that having long text could make the information difficult to read. When you select a Smart Art diagram, two new toolbar will appear: the Design and the Format toolbar. The tools in these ribbons are especially used in customizing your smart art. If you want to change the design, the text, and so on and so forth. Next in smart art is pictures. Picture shows what words can express. Sometimes even information is better delivered and understood through pictures. Inserting pictures in PowerPoint is not different with other Microsoft programs. That is so easy. Instead of inserting document in pages and lines in Word, pictures are inserted in slides in placeholder. Okay, various picture files that we can use. Okay, some of these files are this. We have okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, we have the BMP. We have the BMP. The BMP stands for Bitmap in use in Windows Paint and many other programs. Next is .gif. Stands for Graphic Interchangeable Format. Next is .jpeg. Stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group who created the standard. This is common format for photographs. .pzd. This is Kodak Photo CD image file and used for storing high-resolution photos in CDs. .pcx. Paintbrush bitmap image file that starts for picture exchange. .png stands for Portable Network Graphics. .tga stands for True Vision Graphic Adapter. And .tiff stands for TACFED Image Format File. Now, how can we insert picture? Okay, we also have two ways to insert picture in PowerPoint. Okay, there are two ways to insert picture in PowerPoint. So, process 1. On the insert menu, let's go to insert menu. Select the picture icon. This icon. A window similar to the one shown below will appear. By default, the window will show the directory of pictures library. However, you may change the directory where the picture you will be inserting is located. Okay, I will go to desktop. After choosing the picture, after choosing or selecting the image that you need, click Insert. Okay, that will happen. You already have a picture on your PowerPoint. Next, what is the process number 2? Okay, on a new slide, one of the placeholder has a group of inactive icons, like what we did in tables and smart art. Click the picture icon. Then, choose the picture that you need. Select and insert. Okay, now that we have a picture, how can we move the picture? Click and hold the picture. Click, then hold. To move it around the slide, be careful not to drag image over the slide border. If you do, the slide will not show the complete picture. You can also rotate the picture by twisting the rotate handle. This is the rotate handle. Okay, twist the rotate handle to rotate the picture. Tagging.